Erica. Happy birthday. God bless you more. Happy birthday, Erica. Unta mag-best friends pata forever. Happy birthday, Murana.
Happy birthday, Erica. Be healthy always and be good. Bye.
Will knows if I disappear, but I'll pray for you all the time.
Hi, Erica. Happy birthday, and always take care of yourself and be healthy. And again, happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Erica. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. More candles to blow. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi, Erica. Happy birthday. Take care of yourself and be happy always. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erica.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Start. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, Erica. More blessings to come. Happy birthday, Erica. More candles to blow. Happy birthday, Erica. More birthdays to come. I love you. We love you. Oh my, magkasalamin ang pagkakatakinig. Kanyang tunay na pag-init. Mas magkasalamin ang pagkakagawin. Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin sa dinas na pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding pero ang sabihin. Salamin sa dingdinas na pag-ibig. Salamin sa kailan niya ba ko papansinin? Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, Erica. Birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday. Hi, Erica. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Erica. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Erica.
Happy birthday, Erica.
Happy birthday, Ate Erica. Wow. Happy birthday, Ate Erica.
Happy birthday, Erica.
Go.
Happy birthday, Erica. 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 Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, Erica. Wish you all the best. God bless. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, Erica. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erica! Happy birthday, B!
Happy birthday, Chi!
Happy birthday sa Tunduha!
Happy birthday, Chi!
Love you!
Hi, Naknak! Happy birthday! Kung wish ay mo is keep up the good work sa school and stay healthy. Then, always praying good health na birthday kay Jesus and be thankful every day. And then, thank you for being a good daughter to us. And, thank you so much, Nak, for being a good girl. Love you, Nak. We love you so much. Always remember that, ha? Kasaban ka na mo ni Daddy, kay love ka na mo. Always put that into your mind. We love you, baby love. Then, dili mag-like kay Mommy Daddy, ha? Always tell the truth. No matter what happens, either good or bad, always tell the truth. Kay who is your best friends? Mommy and Daddy. We love you, Naknak. We love you. Thank you. God bless.
Ano? Birthday ready mo, Nak. Happy birthday, Nak. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bini. Bitaw na ko. Joke na naka. Birthday mo na ini mo, Nak, no? Sige, Nak. Mag-greet lugar ko, Nak. So, happy birthday, Nak. Nak, always ka mag-good sa imong kuana, sa imong attitude, then good health, then good ka always sa school. As you promise sa amo ni Mommy Daddy na gusto ka mag-gold, and as you promise also na kuan ka, very good ka always sa all academics. Promise ni mo na. Love you, Nak. Then imong pray always, good if pray gid ka always. You know na pag mag-pray ka, kabalo ka unsang result, more blessings. Naka pray. Again, happy birthday, Bini Erica Eunice Cylon Radgozo. Love you, Nak. Love you. Mwah.
Open na.
Open.
Saka na makatawa na after mag-sing sa birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sige na, wish siya na.
Sige na.
Sa gift, after niya blow.
Sige,
Wish, anak, wish. Ay, mo kamot. Hindi. Wish. Yay! Happy birthday, Naknak. Oh, group hug. Oh, sige na. Dapat mysterious ang birthday girl.
Thank you. Yatag na ko ang Erica kay ganoon siya og magsulat-sulat or mag-teacher. Thank you. Or marihas. Wala na po. Wala tsadahan. Yung ballpen ay napag-ibini. Thank you. Grabe. Ako,